In this video, we are going to learn how to create stock groups and how to create sub-stock groups. Okay. Now, to create stock groups and sub-stock groups, we are going to use this inventory info. You can press I from your keyboard to open inventory info dialog box here. Okay. First option we can see, that is the stock groups. Take enter to use the stock groups. So first I will explain what is stock groups, why we need to use the stock groups. If you wanted to keep specific related items in a specific list, so that time you can use the stock groups. See, some examples I will take here. All electrical related items you can place in a electrical group, and all related mobiles, specific mobiles, you can place in a group, a specific group, that is the mobile. And if you want to place food related items in a specific food group, for keeping these kind of items in a specific related groups, that time you can use this stock groups. Because why we need to use this stock group means, in some shops or else in some businesses, some different kind of items they will keep in their business to sell it. So that time it should not be make any confusion while purchasing and selling. By selecting this specific group, we can place that specific items. And while applying GST also, we can use these stock groups. We can apply this GST on stock group level. Okay, that these things I will explain while explaining GST. First we will learn why these stock groups are required and how to create these stock groups. Okay, here two options we can see, single stock groups and multiple stock groups. Okay, any options we can use here. Single stock group means one stock groups we can create at one time. This multiple stock group means multiple groups we can create at one time. First I will show with a single stock group. Go to create. See, consider this business is having one shop. This shop is keeping some different kind of items here. I will consider mobile phones also this shop is keeping, and food items also this shop is keeping, and electrical items also this shop is keeping. So what I will do, for all these different kind of items, I wanted to create different groups here. One I will create a group as a mobile phone, one more I will create as a foods, and one more I will create as a electrical. And whatever electrical related items are there, I will place in a specific group, that is the electrical. All food related items I wanted to place in a specific group, that is the food. These things you will understand afterwards when I will create items. Okay, now I will show how to create these groups. Okay, see, now I will create mobile groups here. Go to create mobile group, or else mobile phone, you can say mobile phone. Okay, now this alias you can see, any alias means different name you can give for these stock groups. This mobile I will give, or else if you have taken group name as a mobile, then this alias you can take as a mobile phone. So it is depending on you what name you wanted to give for these stock groups. If you want to write any detail about this group, that detail you can write here. Next one, always this is primary will be a default group for all the specific groups. Okay, now I will take it as a primary, and here you can see should quantities of items be added. Okay, if you wanted to add any specific quantities of items, then you can say it as a S. Okay, now I will skip this. Okay, now I have shown how to create a single group. Now I will show how to create multiple groups here. Okay, whenever you create group here, that time this display and alter will be activated. Till you create any groups, these two options will not be activated. Okay, now I will create multiple. Then before here nothing was there. When I create this mobile phone, that time these two options are displaying here. Means this mobile is a alias and this mobile phone is a group name. Both alias and group names both will be displayed in a list of groups option. Okay. Next one, here all items I will take. Okay. Now what was my different groups? Foods. Next one, here always main group will be under the primary group. So I will take primary here. Next one is what? Electrical group. Okay. Next one, here also primary I will take. Okay. One more point is, if you wanted to create subgroups, consider in a mobile phone I wanted to create two groups as a Samsung mobile phones and Apple mobile phones. These two groups I wanted to create under the mobile phones. This mobile phone already group I have created. In a mobile phone group under these two groups I wanted to create. Means this is Samsung and Apple will be a subgroup for mobile phones. Okay. Now I will accept it. I will show separately. Otherwise you can use create multiple you can use. Okay. Now this Samsung and Apple I wanted to create under mobile phone here. Okay. Now mobile phone I will select. Next one, here what will happen? Here you need to type the subgroup name. Samsung mobile phone. Next one, take enter. This group will be selected automatically because this group under we have taken as a mobile phone. Okay. Next one, here is what? Apple mobile phone. Okay. Next one, say yes here. Okay. Now understood how to create groups and how to create subgroups. And if you wanted to display, you can go to display. Multiple groups you can display at one time. Okay. If you select all items, then all items will be displayed here with a specific group under. Okay. Next one, here you can see electrical, food, mobile phones. These all three are the main groups which I have created under the primary group. Next two are Apple mobile phone and Samsung mobile phone are the two subgroups which I have created under the mobile phones. Okay. Next one, if you want to alter or else if you want to change something, then you can use this alter or else you can use this single stock group alter. Okay. And if you wanted to alter a specific group, then you can use this single alter option. Okay. Select which group you wanted to alter. Then here you can change something in this group. Electricals I will convert, change. Then take enter here. Okay. Next one. I hope you all understood how to create groups and sub stock groups. I will create some groups under these foods. So go to create or else you can use multiple here. Okay. Here you need to select all items. Okay. Now groups under the specific food group I will create dairy products. Okay. This is my group I am creating under foods here. Means this is the subgroup I am creating under group of foods. Under the same foods group I will create one more vegetables and fruits. Both I will keep in a same group. Otherwise you can take separate. For vegetables group you can take a separate group, and for fruits you can select separate groups. This also I will place in a foods group. Next what I will do, bulbs you can take groups under electricals. Okay. Next one, refrigerator you can take these groups under electrical. Okay. Now what I have done, groups also I have created. These are the different sub stock groups under I am creating foods and electricals.